What's the meaning of Church of Scotland? Church of Scotland. Church of Scotland.
Church of Scotland. Church of Scotland. The Church of Scotland is a Presbyterian denomination that traces its roots back to the Protestant Reformation. It is the national Church of Scotland and has approximately 300,000 members. The Church of Scotland is known for its emphasis on simplicity in worship and its commitment to social justice issues, such as poverty alleviation and human rights. It is governed by a system of presbyteries and the General Assembly, which meets annually. As a national church, many important events in Scottish history have involved the Church of Scotland, including the signing of the National Covenant in 1638.